Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of green tea with a product that's been making waves in the market.
Get ready to learn all about the best green tea powder you can find.
Introducing the FGO Organic Matcha Green Tea Powder.
This culinary-grade matcha is sourced directly from family tea farms in Japan, ensuring the highest quality and authenticity.
Let's break down what makes this matcha powder stand out from the rest. First off, it's certified USDA organic, guaranteeing that you're getting pure, natural goodness in every scoop.
Plus, it's non-GMO, so you can sip with confidence knowing there are no genetically modified ingredients.
But versatility is where this matcha truly shines.
Whether you're craving a comforting matcha latte, whipping up a batch of delicious baked goods, or blending a refreshing smoothie bowl, this powder is your go-to ingredient. And let's talk about convenience. This matcha comes packaged in a resealable craft bag, keeping your powder fresh and flavorful with every use.
No more worrying about spills or stale tea.
But don't just take my word for it.
Customers are raving about the taste, quality, and value of this matcha powder.
With over 115,000 ratings and an impressive 4.5-star average, it's clear that people are loving what this product has to offer. So, whether you're a seasoned matcha enthusiast or just dipping your toes into the world of green tea, the FGO Organic Matcha Green Tea Powder is a must-have addition to your pantry. Trust me, once you try it, you'll never go back.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on products you'll love.
Until next time, happy sipping.